Hello kids, Mr. Ag here for word study this week, the week of October 12th. You're going to click into the week 9 assignments, click into the word study folder, and you'll see that you've got a vowel sort for Monday and a vowel sort for Wednesday. Tuesday, we will be meeting live and we'll watch a video and do a vowel sort together. So what does the vowel sort look like? Of course, Schoology is not working at the moment. Um, but if I do this vowel sort, okay, now we've got it up and things are moving really, really slowly. But you're going to want to open the assignment with Kami. And you'll see that you've got a word list here. This is your word sort for Monday, October 12th, 2020. You are sorting short vowels and long vowels. So you're going to use your text box here. You're going to look at this word list and remember the patterns that we've studied. The long vowel consonant silent E is a common one for the long vowels. Or if you see consonant vowel consonant, just three-letter words, you know that that is code for the vowel to be a short vowel. Just a quick review, the short A is A, short E is E, short I is I, short O is Ah, short U is And the long vowels say their names, A, E, I, O, U, and U has a second sound, oo. So if you hear U or oo in the word, that counts as a long vowel word. So all you're going to do with the text box is you're going to click into the box here for the short vowels. I'm going to find, I'm just going to go word by word. So the first word is ice. So I hear the long I, ice. So I'm going to put that on the long vowel side over here. So ice belongs over here. Okay, next, dog. So I'm going to put, I hear the short O there. I'm going to put dog on the short vowel side. And that's all you got to do for this. You got to put the words in the column where they belong. You put the short vowel words on the short vowel column and the long vowel words on the long vowel column. And once you get to the end of the list, you are finished. So the words are ice, dog, rug, box, plant, pane, sock, chop, road, bin, vase, bed, read, let, beat, paid, pen, smell, cute, sun, glue, and cube. All right, good luck and enjoy. On Wednesday, you'll do the same thing, except you'll click into the other assignment, Wednesday vowel sort 2, and you'll open the assignment with Kami and do the exact same thing with a new list of words. All right, good luck, do your best, and enjoy.